The best detergents for cloth diapers to stay clean and fresh. Baby cloth diapers need to be cleaned and sanitized regularly to ensure your baby's hygiene isn't compromised. If hard water makes it difficult to clean, here's our list of the best detergents for cloth diapers to make your work easier. These detergents help clean your baby's cloth diapers thoroughly, leaving them soft and fresh. They ensure squeaky clean cloth diapers for your baby after each wash and fight tough stains easily. Watch on to choose one that suits your needs. Number 1. Best Hypoallergenic. Dreft Stage 2 Baby Liquid Laundry Detergent Soap. The Baby Liquid Laundry Detergent Soap from the Dreft store has a natural, newborn-centric liquid formulation that leaves no harsh effects on the tender skin of infants using cloth diapers. Combined in a pack of 2, it can provide cleaning for up to 64 loads. What we like. Safe to use and specially formulated for active infants. Hypoallergenic properties make it safe for sensitive skin. The presence of sodium citrate turns hard water softer. Baby food stain removal by up to 99%. Helps remove grass stains. Compatible with high-efficiency, heat and standard washers. What we don't like. Not cruelty-free. Shifting from stage 1 to 2 cleaning may turn out harsh for sensitive skin. May have an unpleasant odor. Number 2. Best Multi-Use. Esembly Washing Powder. The washing powder by Esembly is carefully designed by cloth diaper experts to ensure the ultimate formula is tough on stains, yet gentle on the baby's sensitive skin. It is not just limited to dirty diapers, but extends to family clothing like sweat-drenched gym clothes, towels, pet beds, and more. The instructions are clearly stated and easy to follow, making cleaning a breeze. What we like. Enhances the cleaning process. Eco-friendly and fragrance-free. Help separate the fabric. Free from dye, phosphates, petroleum, phthalates, fabric softeners, loss, SLS, and SLS. What we don't like. May not work effectively in portable machines. Quantity may be small. Number 3. Best Fragrance. Charlie's Soap Laundry Powder 100 Load Jar. The laundry powder from Charlie's Soap is made from naturally derived ingredients and has a soothing fragrance. It comes packed in a refillable jar, is eco-friendly, and can be used for up to 100 washing loads. Its hypoallergenic properties and deep cleaning are safe for sensitive skin and effective in cleaning delicate fabric. What we like. Biodegradable. Thorough rinsing of stain and smell. Deep cleaning with complete fabric care. No artificial brighteners or fragrances. Requires only a tablespoon of detergent for single load cleaning. Comes with EPA safety certification. What we don't like. May not eliminate stubborn stains completely. Number 4. Best Dermatologist Tested Formula. Rockin Green Platinum Series Dirty Diaper Laundry Detergent Powder. The Platinum Series Dirty Diaper Laundry Detergent Powder from Rockin Green is eco-friendly and naturally sourced for cloth diaper cleaning. Packed in a 2.81 pounds bag, it can serve up to 90 front loads of non-toxic cleaning. The cruelty-free detergent is safe for sensitive skin and cleans tough stains easily, restoring the initial fabric delicateness. What we like. Provides deep fabric cleaning through activated enzymes. Helps eliminate foul odor from clothing. Non-allergic dermatologist-tested formulation. Heat-compatible. Suits cleaning all baby clothes and other laundry. Toxic-free, safe detergent. What we don't like. Some may find it harsh on sensitive skin types. Number 5. Best for all washers. Molly's Suds Baby Laundry Detergent Powder. Made with earth and plant-derived ingredients, Molly's Suds Baby Laundry Powder is safe for babies and the planet. It is formulated to get rid of tough stains from formula, spit, poop, and breast milk. Being unscented, it works best for those triggered by strong scents. It should be used in a warm or hot wash cycle and can last for up to 120 loads. This easy-to-use powder also breaks down any buildup from previous washes. What we like. Free from dyes and fragrance. Hypoallergenic. Stain-fighting enzymes. Suitable for use in standard, commercial, and high-efficiency washers. What we don't like. May require pre-treatment of stains before a wash cycle. May not leave a fresh scent. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.